Good morning everyone. Today we are going to some pronunciations of these some words. WRONG wrong. These words W is silent here. That is word pronunciation is correctly RONG wrong. Then WRIST wrist. That is RIST wrist. WRENCH range. WRING ring, that is pronunciation is correctly ring. Misspelling is that correctly, but pronunciation is different. That wrapper, wrapper, wreath, wreath. Then regal, regal, wrestle, rehearsal. Then rain, rain, rack, only rack. Wrong, wrong. In this type we can be pronunciation. Then walk, walk, talk, talk, look, look, jump, jump, cook, cooked, drop, dropped, pick, pick, lick, lick, kiss, kiss. Then guess, guess. ईडीचं प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन हे तिथं होत नाही आणि त्यामुळे ते वर्ड उच्चारताना आपणास फक्त काय करावं लागतं, तो वॉक, टॉक, लुक, जम्प, कुक, ड्रॉप, पिक, लेट, किस, गेस्ट याप्रमाणे त्याचे प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन केले जाते, त्याचे उच्चारण केले जाते.